Yes, good afternoon, everyone. We are going on question 3 and question 4. From where we stopped, let me show you my files, which are in the home directory. So in the home directory, I'm only having portrait and desktop. So I'm going to do number 3 rather, within the what? Within the terminal. So let's get started. Press Ctrl Alt F1, still in that terminal. Log in as the user, the password. Now there, so they're telling me from my home directory, I list the files in the directory user share. So what I'm to list the directories in user share. If I say list the directory in share, which is empty. Reason being, I have know that what directory. So I can say make directory share. I click it, then I say list. So B3 now desktop, portrait, and share. So I'm there now. And they're telling me change to that directory and use pwd to get into that directory. So I'm going to say change directory share. And now I'm inside that directory. Then they're telling me to use the print working directory command to check whether I'm in the right place. So I'm going to write pwd. It will show me that I'm in that same directory, so I'm in the right place. Now they're telling me to list the files in the current directory again. Our current directory is now share. So I'm going to say list. Let's enter. There is empty files in the share. There is not any directory within the share, which is okay. Then a directory above it. So the directory above it, I can say list dot slash dot. So the directory above it is Swipe. You see, I press Ctrl Alt to scroll here. You see there is share. Share is below and Swipe is above. If you see the protocol. So list dot slash dot shows the directory before. So I'm there. Then they are telling me next list all the files. I've done it in the current directory, and then list the files in the current. Yes. Then here they are telling me list the files in the current directory again, and then list the files in the directory called document. So I'm going to come list document. It will be empty. So meaning I have created that directory, make directory document doc. Press enter. So when I list, it will bring me within share there is doc. So successful there. Then they're telling me list the files in the current directory and the directory above it. Current directory is the root directory. So I say list dot slash dot. So there is a list dot there. Now the directory, the parent directory is Swipe, and then the directory after it the desktop, portrait, and share. So they are telling me on alphabet D to try the following command and make sure I understand the result. So when I press echo and this, it will give me the path for the root directory. So you see home swipe. So that is it. So they're telling me I use the pad to display the contents of the text file which resides in the home directory text file. Then the text file is in the portrait. So here I have to put a slash. Let me put cat slash. Let me do this cat slash. We stepped in portrait, so cat slash portrait. Press enter. The same is the directory, so say cat poultry, poultry, the most excited directory. So that means, but we want to recall that the text file was found in poultry, not in share. So allow me to come back to the root directory. I enter poultry, cd poultry, then I say cut poultry. You see, cut poultry has refused. We saved it sonnet. I want to come, I list the commands in poultry is sonnet, then I come say cut sonnet 18.text to display for me that what we can do the content of text files in your create one if you haven't, using the syntax to refer to it. It shouldn't matter what your current directory is when you run the command. Meaning there is some command, control alt, come into the interface. If it doesn't mind about that, I enter into the interface. I go back. So if I say cut, let me say question. I come here in the interface. I put this one backslash and the text file sonnet dot sonnet 18.text. Sonnet 18.text. Okay, they are telling me the set file of the directory. Let me see cut. Command is refusing. My commands, we have that, so we are gone far like that. Okay. Now when we press Ctrl Alt, they are telling me to use the host name command with no options to print the host name of the machine I'm using. So I'm going to have the interface. Now say host name. So the host name is fine. With no options to print the host name of the machine I'm using machine swipe. So they're telling me to use man to display some documentation of the host name commands. I'm using man host name to give me the details, which read as follows: name, host name, show or set the system host name, domain name, show the set the system what, host name, negative a, host name. They are given a description here that host name is used to display the system's DNS name and to display its host name or NIS domain name. This is the domain name system. Get name when called without any arguments. So arguments are these things you see in here: negative A, negative L, negative alias, negative B. Those are arguments. So I can press Ctrl 2, I can press Ctrl 2 to get back to. So I'm back there. Then they're telling me and how to make it print the IP address. Once I want to print the IP address, I press ipconfig. ipconfig. It will print the IP address. Then after that, they're telling me they're telling me locate the command. Use the locate command to find files whose names contains the text host name. So when I want that, I use the command locate host name. Where there is the host name, it will locate all those files which have host names. So it has displayed them there. Which of the file names printed contain the actual name program itself. Try running by entering the program's absolute path to check that you really have found it. So once we do like that, test, we shall test each absolute path to see whether it contains that program. So I'll press CD back to the root directory. So I see there that there is share. So I can say CD share, and I'm in share. So I'm saying ls. I can press ls. It's only the document. So now I'm saying here document host name. ls document, it is empty, and when I say the absolute path, share doc host name, certified directory. I'm testing them. So there is a doc host name, copyright, no such file directory. So here we need to, because they are telling us that absolute path to check that you really have found it by running the enter programs which contain the actual host name program. So we are looking for the actual host name program. So we can press man one host name .1.gz. Also refusing. So we can press that one. Host name 1.1.gz. Also that one refuses. You can keep on testing like that till you get that program, which is the hostname program, which runs the hostname program. So they're telling me the wildcard only is expanded by the shell, the list of all files in the directory. Use the echo command to see the result, but make sure you are in a directory with a few files or directories first. So meaning they are telling me that the wildcard on its own is equal to the shell to list all the commands. Use the echo command to see the result. Make sure you are in the directory with a few files or the directories first. So I press echo, the wildcard, it gives the document, it gives what is within the share. So once I hit cd dot to bring that, then I press echo start to bring all the files. Let's go for share like that. It will print all the directories that are within the group directory. So they are telling me argument the port directory you created earlier with another file, sonnet.cat. So I'm going to come. So I'm going to create another directory, cat directory, cat directories, the file is sonnet 29.txt, and what is there is when in disgrace with fortune and ladies eyes I all alone be whipped my outcast state. So there, so I press enter, press Ctrl D. Then they are told me to admit the photo directory you created earlier with another file. So I'm going to say so that I use how to display both of the poems using the wildcard. So wildcard is a directory, portrait I share is a directory. When you use this, it is okay. And finally, I use the remove command to delete the portrait directory and the poems in it. I use the remove command to delete the portrait directory and the poems in it. So meaning I have to transfer the portrait directory, I have to transfer the one in distress, which I have written there in Sonnet 29. Then I transfer into the other thing. So I'm going to say first move Sonnet 29.29.txt. So it has to be move mv go back mv sonnet 29.txt. I will transfer it into sonnet 80.txt folder. So press enter. I cannot move sonnet to sonnet, not the directory, so it is not a directory. So I will transfer it to portrait, because portrait is the directory. Portrait. So it has accepted. So I list ls, it will show me portrait. If I list portrait, it will show me two documents. So if I list sonnet 29.txt, so I have to press cut sonnet. No, it was cut sonnet. Okay, so they are telling me that I have to delete the portrait directory and the poems in it. So I'm going to say remove portrait. So since it is a directory, I'm going to say remove directory portrait. Directory not empty. So they are telling us that finally we use the remove command to delete the portrait directory and the poems in it. So I can say remove portrait. Remove portrait. But I cannot remove portrait. Portrait is a directory. Why can't I remove it? So I say remove dir. This is not an empty directory. It is not empty. As portrait, sonnet has two files. So move sonnet 18.txt sonnet 29.txt. Here is a problem with the terminal. Let's come back in the next video. Thank you.